Okay, hello everyone. Our topic is about linear equation. Okay, so when we are going to solve for an equation, imagine that for linear equation we have general form, where ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where there is also standard form, where the formula must be ax plus by is equals to c, and there is also slope intercept form na meron siyang formula na y is equals to mx plus b. Okay, so this is our topic for the second quarter. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to prove or to graph each of the following. Okay, so say for example, we have the equation of 4x plus 2y minus 6 is equals to 0, and this form is a standard form. Okay, so how we're going to solve this, or how we are going to make this into standard form. This is general form, by the way. Okay, so for standard form it must be, so the formula is ax plus by equals c. Okay, so you have to copy 4x plus 2y. Okay, so since it's minus 6, so you have to transpose the negative 6 into other side, and then once you transpose number, the sign must be changed. Okay, so to simplify, the formula for standard form is ax plus by is equal to c. Now, so 4x plus 2y is equals to negative 6. Therefore, for standard form, it must be 4x plus 2y equals to positive 6. Why it is positive 6? It's because our number here is a negative 6, and then we transform that to the other side, it becomes negative, it becomes positive 6. Okay, so okay, as we all know that a and b, they are non equals to 0. Okay, or they are non-zero terms. Okay, so ganito. Okay, so for slope intercept, so as we all know that it is y is equals to mx plus b. So therefore, so we're going to identify it is a, b, and then c. Okay, so our a here is 4 and b is 2, and then c is negative 6. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to, okay, for this example, for this one, for standard form, so we're gonna make is like remain the 2. Okay, so since it's positive, okay, and then so 6, so it will become negative 4x. Okay, transpose mo yung 4x sa kabilang side, it becomes negative 4x. Okay, let's rewrite it to the correct format, that is 4x, okay, negative 4x plus 6. That's the format. And now, since it is single y, there is no terms or real number beside, so it means that you have to what? You have to divide it by itself. So now you have to divide it by 2, and also 2. So therefore, our y is equals to, we canceled out, so y, and then negative 4x divided by 2, that is negative 2x, and then this is plus 3. Okay, so that's plus 3. So now this is the reminder that whatever, okay, so since it is positive y, so meaning to say you have to transpose, which is, if they say for example this is negative, so you have to transpose this to the other side. But since it is positive here, so you have to put in remain, and then this one must be transpose. Okay, so when we're going to graph this, okay, so when we are going to graph this into the Cartesian plane, since we all know that this is x and this is y, so what we're going to do is to identify with what is b, yes, and of course the slope, since m here stands for slope. Okay, so that is the slope. Okay, now, so our m for here is, it's -2, and then our b is it's +3. First thing you have to do, that this b is represents for y, it's y-intercept. Okay, so now we are going to count this. This is positive, meaning to say we have to put this in the graph going upwards, since this is y-axis, in line with the y-axis. This must be 0x, yes, it's 0x and +3. So therefore we have to plot it here. Okay, so now our m here is single, it's 2, so automatically there must be a denominator. Oh no, yes, it's denominator. Because we all know that for that one, like for linear equation, there is a formula like y is equals to it's m. Okay, not y, but it's m. Okay, it's m is equals to rise over run. Okay, so since this is our rise here is negative, okay, so it's -2, and then our run is +1. So what we're going to do is to identify this by using this line. So meaning to say that the rise is negative, so it means that it is going what? Okay, it's going downward. Okay, so it's -2, which is the yes, it's -2 for the numerator, so you have to count it downward since it simplifies for negative. Okay, so we have to count 1, 2, and then run to the right because the denominator is +1. So okay, see for example this is 1, so 1, 2, and then here. Okay, so now you can plot now this to graph like this. Okay, so we can like do this. Okay, so that's easy how we gonna make it to plot. Okay, so that's how you work for the linear equation. Okay, so that's easy to plot the given equation to the graph. And I think that's all for now, and I hope you learned something from this video.